today we came to Target to get ready for our beach day on Saturday, so we're gonna look for some games and stuff like that.
Spot the difference.
Yeah. What do we get in this bundle? That's it, just Frisbee?
Yeah, look, it's $2. Dude, we gotta get it.
Shit, so what's up, viewers? We decided
$2.
this one.
$2.79.
Clear it all the whole.
This one in clearance? No.
$2.79. What a steal. That's a cut. That's a cut. That's a wrap.
Easier just to be
This is gonna be my fit. So we're gonna pay for the volleyball and the frisbee, and then we're gonna go to another Target.
See ya.
My name is Alex.
Stop! It's getting swung by Brian. Bro, keep the submission. Hey guys. So I hope you guys can hear us. We just went to Target and we got a frisbee and a volleyball, but we're still missing some stuff. So we're gonna go to another Target, and the stuff is right here. Here's people. Ta-da! That's what we found.
And some water, because we're thirsty. So we got Krispy Kreme donuts out with Duane Reade, and it's my first time trying them. And we also got some dumplings.
Some pork buns, you know the deal.
Wait, what is it for?
Just to walk. Oh, yoga socks.
Hey, does it good to exercise on the floor? Comment if you want us to have a trivia game night.
Well, okay, so now we're just walking. We're gonna walk. It's about a 10-minute walk, and yeah, we'll see you guys there.
Alright, so Diana is going to try Krispy Kreme for the first time. We got a newbie. What's that?
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Double bites, that's how you know it's good.
It's good. It's sweet. I like it.
This one. What?
So random with.
I feel like she's gonna go for this one. No, this one. One of these two. And then you went all the way.
I always forget. She just goes random.
I think if you really want to try Krispy Kreme, get fresh out of the oven, bro. That's it, no clap. That's it.
For real.
That's my comment.
I agree.
Get them.
Okay, so we just got back from Target. We ate, and now we're gonna show you guys what we got. First, I got just the regular jump rope.
Why?
Why? Because I need to start doing some just physical activity.
Just couldn't just said
Exercise, and I don't want to go out to run because what if I get kidnapped?
Then we went to a different Target. We got a $2.79 frisbee, you know,
On clearance.
from Wham. We got a volleyball, beach, 3D.
Alright. I think
massage the body.
it feels nice.
There's like the $500 one. It's like a little bubble.
If you guys don't give each other money, are you guys really best friends? So what can I look me though?
Why else? Don't do me like that.
How can you sleep like this? Look at your neck.
My neck is gonna fall off. Look, I'm up. Give me multiplication. Come on.
12 times 13.
Not manches. What is it? Times what?
12 times 13.
He doesn't know.
Hey YouTube, how's it going, guys? How's it going, DNA Army?
Otro que se va a dormir.
He's laying on the bag.
In my pillow. The bag. Let's go home.